Ydyn ni am weld y tîm cynta yn Ewrop i sicrhau pencampwriaeth y tymor yma. Craven yn mynd efo Redmond yn sydyn at Young! Mae'r bar yn achub y Met! O, bobl bach! Byddech chi di rhoi'ch morgais ar ei Brad Young sgorio.
Mae hon ar blat efo cylledd a ffordd cyfag yn eom. Mae'n tynnu lyca, dwi'n meddwl trwy'n wrthi ar yr eiliad dwytha, a mae'n plygu'n ôl i fi bach. Mae'n meddwl bod wedi sgorio yn barod.
Drobl! Oedd y golwr di mynd, ond mae'r amddiffyn yn gwneud y gwaith. Holden. Mae hwnna'n bel dda fewn! A mae Young yn dod yn nes ac yn nes. Curo, ond i'r drws heb agor ato. Redmond mewn â hi at Young eto. Cri chynnig i Gymro medden o! Ac am yr ugeinfed tro y tymor hwn, mae o'n sgorio yn yr uwch gyngrair.
Mae'n gorffan hwnna'n glinigol, mae'n cyrraedd na gyntaf. Be dwi'n licio amdano fo, mae'n benderfynol. Just i gael ei gorff, cuddiad ti, wedyn just flicio i dros corff y golwr. Mae'n heiddi y gol yna. Gol o safon gan tîm o safon.
O, Cabongon i cholli hi, mae Young i mewn, mae'n edrych, mae'n tanio, mae'n fwy! Oedd hwnna rhy hawdd, y Seintiau 2, Met dim.
Ben Clark, dwy'n y bel, yn ôl gan Cabangog, dyna'r bas, na i fwydo chdi, be fydech chdi'n neud efo hwnna, Brad Young? Yli amser gyda fi, godi men, gweld y golwr yn ganol y gol, a mae'n neud o'n hawdd i fi, mae'r penderfyniad i basio o'i gwmpas o, syth i fewn i gornel.
Davies at Smith, cyfle at Nelly, cyfle ar gydio! A mae yna resiad o chwaraewyr yn synhwyro gol yn does.
A di Leo yn sgorio gol hawdd na di?
Mae bel gan Daniels, Sislevich di allan efo. Daniels, mae ar hyngfyd yn mor hawdd. Am bel i mewn! Ac yn y diwedd mae Clark yn manteisio ar gyfle na ellid i methu. Mae'r ddwy yn dair, mae'n chwalfa wedi hanner awr.
Ia, codi Daniels, codi Ben yma na i edrych pwydd yn rhedeg i mewn. Gweld Young yn mynd i'r posti cynta, mynd â emlyn efo fo, a wedyn Clark ar y marc i sgorio i gol.
Sislevich, creu chydig bach o le. Young, sa hat-trick yn hanner amser. Postyn rhwng y ddwy ar dair.
Newid y cyflymdra mor sydyn, newid ger, yn gyflymach na pob allan i penna ar y funud.
Rhys i ganol Kai at Elliot Evans. Evans at Price. Price, cyfredd y fod danio! Pam lai. Ac os y ymdrech arall wedi bod ar gol y Seintiau Newydd yn y gêm yma?
Gath o gyffyrddiad, gath o fus i ni.
Young mewn tu ôl yr amddiffyn Lewis ni dynnu o lawr. A mae'n gico'r smotyn. A dwi'n meddwl y gall Lewis gwyno am honna.
Na fi.
Mae'n goch hefyd.
Na.
Wel.
Mae'r rediad yn gampus amser i hi. A mae'n dynnu fel awr, mae'n gico'r smotyn. Dydy ddim yn gardyn coch, dwi'n mynd efo hwnna. Ddim yn ymarnu.
Brad Young a chyfle i gael i hat-trick. Bron iawn yn heirllig, cwbl hyderus, tair i Young, 4 i'r Seintiau, 10 dyn i'r Met. A lle'n bod lot gwaith yr ymwelwyr.
Really pleased. This is what we work hard for all week. All month and all season. We've had a fantastic lead for a while now, but until it's done, it's not done. We've got to keep our heads on it. We knew it wasn't going to be an easy game today. We started really well. We scored some fantastic goals, played some fantastic football.
Ac am yr unfed tro ar 15, pencampwyr uwch gyngor Cymru ydy y Seintiau Newydd.
Yeah, just job done. Probably relief more than anything. TNS expectations to win the league every year. You get used to it in the end, obviously the pressure. We are expected to win, but you need to go and do the job. And obviously when we didn't win the league those few years I've been here, it shows that it can happen. So you've got to be switched on at all times, and it's still a great achievement.
Do you think it's fair to say that this season as well, that the team really seems to have evolved in all positions, really? It seems like a really strengthened side this season.
Yeah, I think it's a very strong squad, isn't it? You know, we got 2 players, even more for every position that could easily play any game. Got some great players. As you say, you look at the bench today. I think it's, you know, really strong bench, and lads in the stand as well. They're great players. So yeah, it shows the great squad we got.
Coming into the game, knowing if we would get 3 points to win the league, obviously was over the moon with it, and to get my hat-trick, I'm obviously over the moon individually, but most important thing, we won the league and we set our goals, but it doesn't mean that it's over. We still go again, and we've got upcoming games coming up, and that are really important.
Yeah, we've just been speaking to Chris Marriott, who obviously has won this league with this club 12 times before, but for you, it was a first experience. How does it feel?
I mean, yeah, like I said, plenty of times I've come here to win trophies, score goals, and I've won 2 trophies so far, but we've got 2 more that we want to win, and we want to stay undefeated for the rest of the season, so the goals hasn't stopped. We've got new goals that we want to set.
Dwi'n meddwl bod gen ti'r wobr ora un yn ddwylo yn fanna, ond llongyfarchiadau mawr, sut wyt ti'n teimlo?
Na, da ni wrth yn bodda yma. Dwi'n mynd â un o as y mam, dwi'n meddwl. Ond na, da ni gyd yn falch. Mae'n rhywbeth o'n ni eisiau gwneud, a da ni wedi gallu gwneud yna. Dwi'n falch bod hi yma hefyd.
Ia, mae nôl o bach yn camera shy ar hyn o bryd, ond na ddim amheuaeth pnawn ma o gwbl mewn gwirionedd, nag oedd chi'n edrych yn gyfforddus iawn o'r cychwyn cyntaf?
Oed, da ni'n gwybod erbyn unrhyw tîm, maen nhw'n dod i TNS, maen nhw'n eisiau gwneud o'n anodd i ni, ond da ni'n angen ei siŵr bod da ni'n gweithio'n galad, da ni'n gweithio ar gêm ni, a ella bod o'n gyffyrddus, ond da ni'n angen cadw'r sefonnau'n uchel a neu siŵr da ni'n mynd dropio hynna.
We did mention this is something that you've the experience of doing a few times before. Where does this one compare? How would you compare it?
It's hard to compare, and they're all different, and probably because we won it by such a big margin early, it probably takes the emotion from the celebration today, but it's been coming for a while, hasn't it? But it's still a great achievement, and something we need to celebrate.
So 2 cups down and potentially another 2 to go as well.
Exactly, yeah, we've got to win them 2, haven't we, to complete the season. I think we'll be gutted not to win them all, but we've got to be on our game, carry on playing professional league games, and just crack on from there.
Chris, go and enjoy the celebrations. Many congratulations. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Thanks, Nicky. Nice one.